Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Dodge Journey SE. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. I do apologize about the wind. This guy does come in granite. You do have your Dodge logo up front there with the chrome accenting on the grille. You do also have your halogen quad headlights right there, very bright. And coming around the side we do also have 17-inch rims with Goodyear brand tires. The tires look great and those rims look awesome as well. Now you do also have heated exterior mirrors right there, get you going a little bit quicker in the winter. Now coming all the way around to the back, we do have the Dodge Journey logos there, and you can lift it up. You just got to press the button right here. Open it up just like that. You do have lots of room back here. It is very soft to put whatever you might need to up back here, and you can be nice and safe. Lift this up and there's some additional storage under there. If you did need to, you can fold these forward as well, and then you do have extra room if you didn't need to seat all 7 people. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 pressed unlock, 1 pressed lock, and our panic button just down there. Now it also comes with proximity keyless entry, so if you have the keys on your person, you just gotta put your hand in there and it will unlock. You have the button there if you did want to use that as well. Woo, a bit windy. Now you do have chrome accenting on your handle here. You have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Got a handle here and some storage down here with the water bottle holder. Very nice interior on this guy as well. I do like the seats. They look very nice and they're very comfortable as well. You do also have the controls over your lights here. So you have your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams all hanging out in there. Now you also have the in-cabin light control here and your windshield wipers, high beams, and turning signals all right there as well. Okay, let's start up here. So the keys are in the cup holder. Just gotta put your foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have our vehicle speed in the center, but we can change that around to our fuel economy, trip info, tire KPA, vehicle info. We also have our messages, and you can turn the screen off if you were distracted by it. You also have what channel we're on up there. Now you can control that from right here, plus you do have your voice recognition, your call out for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. And right over here we do have our 5-inch touchscreen display, so you have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM. Plus you have your media tab if you have one hooked up through disc, aux, cord, Bluetooth, or USB. You have your climate control here. It is a dual climate system for you and your passenger. You also have your settings here, your more, then you also have your screen off if it was bright for you. A little bit of storage in here, and then you have your hazard lights, AC, circulation, front and rear defrost, and your traction control over there. Your volume and your off, your dual climate system there, your power and your off, as well as your browser and tuner there. CD player right there, some storage, you got your cup holders here, and your gear shift right there. Over here we also have our armrest, which doubles as a storage container. Lift that out, you got lots of room in there. Plus you do have your USB and your aux cord plugins in there. Fold that back down. Now you also have your locking glove box just over here. Always nice to have a locking glove box just in case. You do also have your owner's manual just in there. And then up top you do have some lights. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door here you do have that same chrome accenting, your handle with the controls over your windows, handle there, and you also have a water bottle holder down here. Very nice back here. It is the same material as the front, very, very soft. You can fold this forward, and then you have some cup holders and an armrest there for people back here. Plus you do have a plug-in just down there, and some storage in the floors right underneath there. Now you can also fold these forward just by pulling that. Folds down just like that, and you got your access to back here. You do have some cup holders, and it does seat 7 people altogether. And there's our 2.4-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2015 Dodge Journey SE. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.